This video is for somebody by the name of BOUH, I think. Sorry if I got the name wrong. BOUH TEILLE. And he wanted to see me sharpen my red knife. Hey guys, a red knife, if that's red. That's my loop knife. And as you can see here, it's very thin at the front. This is the way I sharpen it. There's probably experts out there that know how to do a damn better job than me, but this is for you, mate. So all I need's a good solid surface to rest it on. Need my diamond and my diamond, and that's about all I use. So I find a solid surface. I've got the rounded area here, and what I'm trying to do is trying to keep it as thin as I can. If you want it, you can bring the camera back around this way. Doesn't take much, just a few rubs. And then I've got a flat sort of angle there, and just for the last few rubs I just cock it a little bit. And that's about it. Turn it over. Same situation, I try to keep it as thin as I can. Nothing flash, and then just a couple of rubs. And that's about right there. Then I've just got this one here for the end. And then all I do to finish it off is turn the cutting edge away from me. Just give it a couple of rubs. Do it again the other way, a couple of rubs. And that's reasonably sharp. I don't think it will do the old paper cut trick, but we'll see, I guess. No, blunt as, but won't shave my arm either. But as long as I keep it that sharp, it seems to be able to get rid of the whatever I want to get rid of. So I'd like some comments from the experts out there. If I can do it any better and make it last longer, I'd appreciate it. But that's the way I do it, with my red handled loop knife. And I have various size loop knives from this size down to smaller. All the best. See you in the next vid. Bye.